Hello, I'm Ben Slavic, and I wrote this book. It's called the Big CI Book. I wrote it because over the years I've just become increasingly aware that comprehensible input instruction, although everybody agrees it's the best way to teach a foreign language, has become a little bit too complexified. It's made up a word, but it's complex, and it doesn't need to be. The process can be very simple. There are just too many things to remember, too many rules, and so it just doesn't need to be that way. So in this book, distributed by Teachers Discovery, I try to make CI language instruction simple with simple skills and strategies for teachers who are new to this way of teaching, and also teachers who have experience with CI. I think it'll simplify a lot of things. It has 14 skills, 27 strategies, 8 classroom management tools, 3 assessment tools, and 4 bailout moves, which just kind of make the car go down the road in the right way without a lot of confusion. You know, for me, and I certainly, one of the reasons I wrote this book is because I just want to keep myself a little more relaxed in the classroom. Really, I want time with loved ones away from my job. I want time for myself. Someone just told me the other day that this book has cut their prep time down by 80%. And isn't that what we really want here? Less pressure. That's what this Big CI book does. It simplifies teaching using comprehensible inputs, and it just takes the pressure off, so we don't have to go around thinking that we chose the wrong job. We didn't. Teaching is the right job. If we don't do it, who's going to do it? But I think it'll be a lot easier with this book. Thank you so much. I appreciate your taking the time to learn more about the Big CI book. Stay strong, and thank you.